Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Tekken 8 game is crashing and not launching whenever you are trying to launch the game. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to launch Tekken 8 using launch option. To do this you just need to open up Steam, right click on the Tekken 8 and select properties. In launch option you just need to copy and paste this code guys. You just need to check my description for this code used in my video. After pasting it, just close it off here and now launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to run the game in compatibility mode. To do this, you just need to right click on the game and select manage and select browse local files. Comes up file explorer. You just need to right click on the Tekken 8 and select properties. Select compatibility tab. You just need to check mark this run this program in a compatibility mode for Windows 8. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here and launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to update the graphics card drivers. To do this, you just need to check my video description for these links used in my video. For Nvidia users, download GeForce Experience. For AMD users, you just need to download this program guys, Auto Detect, and install drivers updates for AMD. You just need to select the download Windows drivers and download it. After downloading it, you just need to open the program and select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it guys. After updating it, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC for the changes take effect. After restarting your PC, you can launch the Tekken 8 and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.